व्यक्त वतन में हम उड़ के चले जाएं। ओ हम उड़ के चले जाएं उस प्यारे से वतन में, उस मीठे से वतन में। जाना है वहाँ हमको जहाँ बाप और दादा है वो। जाना है वहाँ हमको जहाँ बाप और दादा है। बनना है संपूर्ण हो, किया बाबा से वादा है। जो बाबा से किया था वो वादा निभाएंगे। हम उड़ के चले जाएं। ओ हम उड़ के चले जाएं उस प्यारे से वतन में, उस मीठे से वतन में। ये देह ना याद आए, देहधारी ना याद आए हो। ये देह ना याद आए, देहधारी ना याद आए। ये पतित पुरानी सी हो, दुनिया भी ना याद आए। याद आए तो बस अपना वो वतन ही याद आए। दुनिया से क्या लेना, वो नगरी हमारी है, हमको है वहाँ रहना। हम ज्ञान से सज धज के उस नगरी में जाएंगे। हम उड़ के चले जाएं, ओ हम उड़ के चले जाएं उस प्यारे से वतन में, उस मीठे से वतन में। वतन में है ठहरे हुए बाबा हमारे लिए, हो वतन में है ठहरे हुए बाबा हमारे लिए। कर रहे हैं इंतजार घर ले जाने के लिए। आकारी बन करके हम वतन में जाएंगे। हम उड़ के चले जाएं, ओ हम उड़ के चले जाएं उस प्यारे से वतन में, उस प्यारे से वतन में, उस मीठे से वतन में, हो अव्यक्त वतन में, ओ हम उड़ के चले जाएं उस प्यारे से वतन में, हो उस मीठे से वतन में।
Taking everyone's love remembrances when I was offering bhog to Baba. Baba very lovingly looking at all of us, giving us lot of loveful drishti. Looked at bhog, gave drishti, accepted bhog. But after bhog, Baba was still giving drishti to each child. Baba said that Even when Baba speaks, but actually it is Baba Drishti which gives you light, might, and even directions. So those who uh, take Drishti from Baba, they are able to understand Baba's directions. Because through Baba's Drishti, Baba also gives signal to children. So Drishti is important. Take Drishti. I'm sure that each one of you must have exchanged something through Drishti with Baba. We give something, we receive something. And then Baba said, "Are children double light? Are you all double light?" So I looked at Baba, I said, everyone is making effort to be double light. Baba said that external situations are not connected with you. Always remember you are at confluence age. So your karma philosophy, and for you, the situations will be completely different. All that what is happening in the world, Baba said, is karmas, the result of karmas of those who are very deeply involved in body consciousness and vices. But you children are at confluence age and you are in soul conscious and all the time have elevated pure thoughts and you are constantly doing elevated actions also. So Baba said that sometimes children, they look at the external situations, circumstances and become heavy because they forget that I am at conference age, I am not in iron age and moving towards golden age. If that awareness is there, you will remain double light because you will also remember that I have to serve the souls. If I am myself become heavy or influenced, I will not be able to serve. I will not be able to give what the souls are looking for. They're looking for love, belonging, joy, happiness, hope. So Baba said it is necessary to remind yourself that I am at confluence age. Even if you are living in this old world, but you are living here only because you have to serve. You are in the body because you have to serve. So always, always remember that I am at confluence age, I am Baba's child, and I have to serve. So Baba said this will help you not only to remain light, but you will be able to give what souls need. As you take directions from Baba through Baba's Drishti, in the same way, Baba said you will be able to give in subtle form, also through words. Constantly you can give. So be double light. Don't connect yourself with external situation. Yes, you have to be careful. So Baba said that children, they look at what is physically happening, economically happening. But Baba looks at children, what is happening inside, what is happening in them internally. So Baba said that Baba uh, is not concerned what is happening because Baba knows that children souls are getting more into vices. So there will be more and more tamo pradhan. That means more suffering, sorrow. But you are moving towards sato pradhan stage. So keep reminding yourself that I am on my way to sato pradhan stage. And in sato pradhan stage, there is contentment, there is inner joy, there is purity. So I am at confluence age, I am at service, and I have to remain full so that I can constantly serve others. So Baba then paused for a minute and Baba said, every thought which children have, whether for service, for themselves, everyone, every thought reaches Baba. And Baba also respond to every thought. Baba's every thought, pure thought of children will be fulfilled. Even for service, Baba said the thoughts you have, they all will be fulfilled. Then there are many, many who offer bhog to Baba, send love for Baba. So Baba said, yes, especially to them, but for everyone. Just tell everyone to remain double light and full so that you can constantly keep serving through your thoughts, words, and actions. Om Shakti.